For this word sort, you will be sorting your pieces by word families with the AG ag family, AD ad family, and AP app family. Before we sort, we'll have to check out our pieces. This little boy is sad, and here's the word sad. This is a bag, and the word bag. This is pointing to the little boy's lap, and the word lap. This is a cap, and the word cap. This picture is pointing to the dad, and here's the word dad. This is pointing to the tail for wag. This is a picture of a rag, and the word rag. This little boy is taking a nap, and the word nap. And last is pad, and the word pad. Now that you know our pieces, let's sort them into the correct family. Bag, I hear the ag at the end of the word. Lap, I hear the ap sound, so it goes in the ap family. Cap also has the ap sound, so it will go in the ap family. Pad has the ad sound, so this one goes in the ad family. Our little boy who is sad, again I hear the ad, so it goes in the ad family. Wag, I hear the ag sound, so it goes in the AG family. Dad, I hear the ad sound, so it's going to go in the ad family. Rag has the ag sound, so it goes in the AG ag family. Last, I have the picture of nap. Nap, I hear the ap sound, so it belongs in the ap family. Looking at our pieces in the ag AG family, we have bag, wag, rag. In the AD ad family, we have pad, sad, dad. In the AP app family, we have lap, cap, and nap.